to part 2 of income generation. So, in our first part, we learned about identifying our prospects and prospecting them. Today, we're going to concentrate on our listing appointment. You heard that success is all about momentum. It's all about ensuring that we continue to do the right activities in order to produce the right results. But it's not that whatever we do once in a while, it's what we do on a regular basis that's going to ensure that we make a difference and that we achieve success. So let's keep going. In your listing appointment, what is the point? Well, now you've got your in. So make sure you make it count. Purpose of the appointment is to both introduce yourself and your company and its products and services. Talk less, listen more. It's very important at this stage to start building rapport with your client because a good relationship always begins with trust. Make sure that you gather information. You understand their needs. You also get to understand what is their motivation, because that is a very crucial part of your listing appointment. Are they a need-to seller or are they a want-to seller? Remember, our need-to sellers are the ones that we want to deal with the most. Are they selling for reasons of death, divorce, departure, or debt? Those are what we call our A-type sellers. And in order to achieve success, those are the ones that we want to focus on. So make sure you do a good assessment of the property, you put yourself in their shoes, and you ask them a couple of very important questions. When would they like to move? Where will they be moving to? And if you don't achieve success in selling their property, what is their next plan of action? If they haven't been outright with you in determining their motivation, they would have to come out and be honest with you at this point in time. The main purpose of this appointment is to get the prospect to commit to giving you their business. So, make sure you make it count by what you say, by what you do, and ensuring that you make a good impression. Remember, successful people are always dressed for success. So ask yourself this question when you go and do your listing appointment. Do you look like a successful agent? Remember, the purpose of the appointment is to ensure that they commit to you for immediate or future business. So make sure that when you're doing your listing appointment, you've made it count. Let's look at what your responsibility is in this transaction, because it's very important to understand it. The seller sells, the buyer buys, the tenant rents, and the landlord lets out his property. As the agent, your responsibility to this transaction is 1, to ensure that your seller and landlord reach a market-related price. Secondly, your responsibility is to execute your marketing plan successfully in order to achieve a good buyer or a good tenant. And thirdly, your responsibility to this transaction is to ensure that you assist your seller or landlord when making a selling and letting decision. Those are your responsibilities as the agent. Let's remember that.